Join me for some street photography in Queen Street Mall City, Brisbane. Today my camera of choice will be the Sony A7C II paired with the 40mm Viltrox 2.5 lens, and I'll take various accessories with me to document my journey. My street photography style is very candid, although I do try and get people's attention when I'm taking a photo. I just find it makes much more of an interesting photo when you've got the attention of the person you're photographing. That's just my style. This is quite a busy shopping mall in Brisbane City. It's Queen Street Mall, and it's my preferred place for street photography because it's bustling with people. There's all sorts of different characters around, and it's just generally a top place to take photos.